Good morning, dears.
Good morning, ma'am.
Which class are you studying?
I am studying in LKG.
What is your school name?
My school name is Parveli English High School, Anekal.
Shall we start the GK concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Same. States and capitals of India.
States and capitals of India: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gahnwar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Tirupati, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Nagaland, Kolima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Delhi, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, Dehradun, Uttarakhand, Lucknow, West Bengal, Kolkata.
National symbols.
National symbol, national flower, lotus, national bird, peacock, national fruit, mango, national animal, tiger, national game, hockey, national animal, lion, capital, national tree, banyan tree, national flag, tiranga, national currency, rupees, national animal, dolphin, national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, national song, Vande Mataram.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Karnila, Bharani, Vaigas, Yamuna.
Vedas.
Vedas, there are 4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharva Vedas.
Major agricultural crops of India.
Major agricultural of India: rice, wheat, jute, sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee.
Rainbow colors.
Rainbow colors, there are 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Days of the week.
Days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Prime ministers of India.
Prime